Seriously. Do you ever let up?
I spy a couple of new best friends.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have all 5 kittens, Phoenix. Are you happy? You are so chill.
He is not gonna get stomped on.
Kitty, you gotta go somewhere where these dumbass chickens don't weigh.